I thought maybe if I go to the Coca-Cola website, I'll be able to buy shares of Coca-Cola from that. Shares of each companies are sold through brokers. The one I'm using is Trading 212. After doing a bit of research, I kind of came to a realization that I needed to put my money into something that's a bit more passive, because like most of us, I have a job and you might have a business. So that time to continuously research the market is not our full-time job. So it has to be a passive form. So the one I have interested in is obviously the most famous, S&P 500. But the interesting thing about Trading 212 is that individual people can create a pie. A pie is basically a grouping of assets chosen by these people. And there's a very popular one called the Almost Daily Dividends pie. As you can imagine, it has basically grouped together stocks that pay dividends at different times throughout the year. So since I've put some money into this back in August, I've constantly been receiving dividends. Granted, it's not a lot, 10 pence here, 17 pence here, 20 pence from one other stock. And this happens every few days and has been consistently happening throughout the last few months that I've invested into it. And it was kind of really exciting because it was really the first time I was an owner of a piece of one huge company. Although it wasn't big, it was new and it was very exciting. And getting dividend payments was even more exciting. So that's one of the assets that I'm looking to continuously save and invest into. The goal is to have the income from these assets be higher than the amount of money that is going out from liabilities. So liabilities would probably be something like your car, anything you bought on credit. Assets would obviously be the stocks, property portfolio, and so on.